Having already applied my foundation and concealer, I'm going to start by curling my eyelashes and applying a white base for my eyeshadow. I'm starting by stamping a deep matte raspberry eyeshadow in a small V shape on the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm using a fluffy blending brush to blend a matte hot pink eyeshadow from the outer corner and across the lid. And then also sweeping some of that hot pink eyeshadow under the lower lash line too. I'm using NYX's Liquid Illuminator in Sunbeam to cut the lid and also to provide a base for my shimmering eyeshadow. Then I'm using a flat brush to pack a shimmering champagne pink eyeshadow to the lid space that I carved out. Going back to that deep raspberry eyeshadow, I'm using this to redefine the edges between the two colours. I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone using a shimmering pale yellow gold eyeshadow. Then I'm going to apply some black mascara to the top and bottom lashes, before then moving to apply some natural wispy false lashes off camera. Then I'm using a peachy coral blush and applying that to my cheeks and blending it upwards towards my temples. I'm highlighting the rest of my face using Illamasqua's highlighting powder in Deity. Then I'm taking a hot pink lipstick and applying it to the centre of my lips and using my fingertips to diffuse the colour. And I'm finishing off the look with a gloss. I'm using Natural Collection's Tinted Lip Balm in Cranberry Kiss.